Very tricky exam this time because last time I think so one of the candidates like they were unable to solve it because of the time shortage as well. They have increased the number of questions, not the number of questions, but for example, the larger questions are coming in great detail, right? Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so first of all, 11 October, November. Okay, October, November 19. Question number 1 on doodling. And perhaps I don't know, but I am also expecting that this question would be the larger question as well. Like it can be the last question as well, which is of like evaluation, right? Evaluate the study. Either this or evaluate doodling or this. So it is one of those things which I'm expecting. Okay. Then we have question number 7 of this paper. So same paper. Then we have question number 7 of the same paper. Question number 7 deals with Pepperberg experiment. Okay. Now coming to October November 18. And when we talk about October number 18, question number 1 and 8. 1. Demand and Cladman. And the other is question number 8 on Albert Bandura. Okay. Then we have this is May June. The variant is 12. Okay, question number 1 Milgram study and Shelter and Singer. Question number 2. These are the two questions. Okay. Evaluation question. Evaluate the study. I have already mentioned one. The other is 2019. The first one came. Na? So the second is evaluate the study is on Laney et al. Okay. Then we have Baron, Cohen. That question is question number 6. Okay. Then we have eighteen. Question number 7. Question number 7 and question on Piliavin. I think so these are the questions which I have written down. And one more is from paper 11 of May June 20. Paper 11 of May June 20. And that is question number 1 on button phobia. I hope the students succeed this time as well. Best of luck to my students.